is where the floor is getting broken up because there's a new 4-inch pipe that needs to be laid underneath the concrete floor in the basement. In addition to that, there was never a drain there. And so it's important that we get a new drain installed. So here he is busting up all the concrete to prepare to lay out the new 4-inch drain pipe that's going to come from the first floor, from the main floor, down to the basement, and it's going to tie into what used to be the existing, which that will be new as well. Continually to bust that